know, David. We have gloves, right? Check. Shovel? Check. Rakes? Check. What do you think, Barney? Do we have everything we need?
Whoa! Oh, hi, Melanie. Hi, David. Oh, I think you're ready to go. Shall we get to work in the garden? Oh, it's just about time to start picking the fruits and vegetables.
We're all ready, Barney.
Okay.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hi, Barney. Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, Laura.
What are you doing? We're getting ready to work in our garden some more. You want to help? Sure.
The job is always easier when we have friends to help us.
I'm a happy helper. Show me what to do. I'm a happy helper. I like helping you. Yes, I'm a happy helper.
Oh, I can see that. Giving help is so much fun and isn't hard to do. Remember just how good it feels when friends are helping you.
I'm a happy helper. Show me what to do. I'm a happy helper. I like helping you. Yes, I'm a happy helper.
Oh, you're such good little helpers. You can show you care with all the helpful things you do. Helping others is a way of saying I love you. I'm a happy helper. Show me what to do. I'm a happy helper. I like helping you. Yes, I'm a happy helper. Oh.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, BJ.
BJ, what are you doing?
Well, you know how farmers put a scarecrow in their fields to keep away the birds?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm the scarecrow. The birds will eat all the veggies if we're not careful.
Oh, I'm glad you could help, BJ. We're all working together to make a terrific garden.
How long have you been here?
Not long. It's not bad, except, oh, my nose really itches.
I'll get it.
Oh, thanks, Melanie.
Oh, here you guys are.
Hi,
Baby Bop.
Ooh, what's this?
It's our garden, Baby Bop.
It's very nice. So pretty and green and... BJ, why are you standing there like that?
I'm scaring crows.
Well, I don't see any crows.
Oh, guess I'm doing a pretty good job then, huh?
I guess so. Now, who wants to come swing on the swings with me?
Maybe later, Baby Bop. We need to work in our garden. Barney's been helping us, isn't it great? He taught us how to grow all these fruits and vegetables.
We've been working so well together.
Oh, well, that's nice.
First, we dig up the ground to make a nice soft bed.
Oh, now I like a nice soft bed.
And then we put the seeds in the ground and cover them with a blanket of soil.
Barney, what's a blanket of soil?
That just means putting more dirt on top of the little seed. And then, when you add some water and sunshine, they begin to grow
Whoa.
and grow
Whoa.
and grow. Soon, we'll have all sorts of delicious fruit and beautiful vegetables.
And then comes the best part. We get to eat them.
Yeah, we're going to have a party with all the food we've grown.
Oh, now I like parties.
Would you like to help us water the garden before the party?
Nope. I want to go play. Come on, let's go swing and slide.
We'll play with you, Baby Bop, right after we're finished. Hello? Anybody out here?
My, would you look at this mess?
You can talk? You're a turtle, and you're talking.
Of course I can talk.
Turtles can't talk. I don't believe it.
Well, I don't believe someone littered in my home. Would you look at this mess?
Who did
all this trash.
You can talk too?
Hello, Rachel.
Oh, Barney, these animals can talk.
Yes, I know.
This park's full of all kinds of amazing animals. Come on, let me show you around. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet everybody.
Oh, boy.
Ribbit.
Hello, Mrs. Frog.
We're introducing Rachel to all the animals who live here in the park.
Well, I know where there are lots of animals.
Where?
Over in the meadow. Follow me.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother frog and her little froggy one.
Croak, said the mother, I croak, said the one.
So they croaked and they croaked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, in the stream so blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishies too.
Swim, said the mother, we swim, said the two.
So they swam and they swam in the stream so blue. Over in the meadow, on the branch of a tree, lived an old mother bird and her little birdies three.
Sing, said the mother, we sing, said the three.
So they sang and they sang on the branch of the tree.
Ribbit,
Thank you for introducing us to all your friends who live in the meadow.
you're welcome. Say, you wouldn't know who left this litter here, would you?
Well, actually,
Are you all right, Mrs. Duck?
Oops, just look at this, Barney. Look what someone's done to our beautiful pond.
yeah, that was me, actually. I'm really sorry. I meant to clean it up, but
Please do. What if one of my ducklings ate this? They'd get sick. Sick.
oh, I guess I never thought of that.
That's another reason we have to keep the park nice and clean.
That's right. The ducks need a clean pond to paddle around in. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do.
I'm sorry about messing up your home. I'll never do it again, ever.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Ribbit, thanks.
You see, Rachel, we have to remember that we share this park with some very special friends.
I understand now, Barney. I'll clean this up right away.
I can help if you'd like.
Thanks, Riff. That'd be great.
Yay!
The earth is our home, lovely and green. Let's keep it tidy, you know what that means. If you make it messy, you make it clean. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Playing in nature is always such fun. 'Cause I love the forest, the rivers, the sun. But if there's a mess, there's work to be done. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your
you're part of the world. Here on the planet, we don't live alone, so always be careful wherever you roam. The forest you visit is somebody's home. Pick up, you're part of the world.
Pick up, you're part of the world. Pick up, you're part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up, you're part of the world.
Oh, where did it go? Oh, there you are. Oh, look! A little flower. Well, now what's the matter? You look so sad all alone over here.
Who are you talking to, Baby Bop?
My new friend.
Baby Bop, that's a flower.
Uh-huh. And someday it's going to be the most beautiful flower in the park.
Well, I think you may be right, Baby Bob.
All it needs is a friend to take care of it while it's growing up. Growing, we do it every day. We're growing when we're sleeping, and even when we play. And as we grow a little older, we can do more things because we're growing, and so are you.
Each day we grow a little taller, a little bigger, not smaller. And we grow a little friendlier, too. We try to be a little nicer as we grow each day
Because I'm growing, and so are you.
Growing, we do it every day. We're growing when we're sleeping, and even when we play. And as we grow a little older, we can do more things because I'm growing, and so are you. Each day we grow a little taller,
A little bigger, not smaller.
and we grow a little friendlier too. We try to be a little nicer as we grow each day because I'm growing, and so are you.
Because I'm growing, and so are you.
Hey, everybody, let's go play in the caboose now. Come on, Baby Bop.
Yeah, come on, it's gonna be
Have
great.
fun.
Maybe later. Okay. Oh. Okay. Shouldn't it be growing by now, Barney?
I think it might need more sunshine. This tree is like a big umbrella, and it makes too much shade.
Well, then how can I get sunshine for my flower?
Well, let's put it in a flower pot, and then we can find a nice sunny spot for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Bye, flower. Come on, Barney, time's a wasting.
Alrighty.
I'm making a new home for my flower.
There you go.
And a nice little drink of water. Here. And a pretty yellow bow for my new flower friend. Barney, I want to read to my flower.
Well, good idea.
Once upon a time, there was a little star.
Good job, Baby Bop. Now follow me.
Okay.
See now. Oh, now here's a nice sunny spot, Baby Bop.
Okay. We'll be back to see you later. So start growing. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look at the flower.
Aw.
Isn't it beautiful, Barney?
Oh, it certainly is.
Well, it's getting late now, my little flower friend. So you better go to sleep. Good night, little flower. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, maybe I'll put a switch here and some thingamabobs there. And,
Like that.
What do you think, Barney?
Oh, well, that looks great.
Here are the thingamabobs you wanted.
Oh, thanks. But those are doohickeys, Baby Bop.
Oh, so that's what a doohickey looks like. Okay, Riff,
Yeah?
maybe up some.
Oh, good idea.
Why would you do that? My invention is going to clean up everything. Okay, just give me a few more minutes and you'll see.
Okay,
All right,
Riff.
So, let me just continue on my plan. Okay. Oh, thanks. Okay, flip this over. Oh, yeah. Why don't we take those doohickeys?
That goes on top.
You'll be able to reach
Nice.
down and pick a lot of stuff with this.
Oh, you
Oh, boy.
betcha, baby Bob. Oh, very interesting. Okay. Okay.
See,
It really does seem to be coming together. I just
Almost
need to-
finished.
Ladies and gentlemen, my latest and greatest invention, Litterbot, 8th wonder of the world!
Wow, it looks great, Litterbot!
Looks
Just
great.
let me turn them on. Here we go. Great job, Litterbot.
He likes those.
Watch as my amazing Litterbot picks up all this litter. Come on, buddy. Look, it's working. It's picking up the paper.
You certainly are quite the inventor, Riff.
Oh, thanks, Barney.
Lucky Barney, I'm my little robot too.
I see that. If we use our imagination, we can all be little robots.
Cool.
We are little robots. We are little robots. We love to sing and dance and play all day.
She's a little robot.
I'm a little robot.
We love to dance in a very silly way. We are little robots.
We are little robots.
We love to sing and dance and play all day.
She's a little robot.
He's a little robot.
We love to dance in a very silly way. Yay!
Riff, is your invention supposed to do that?
Oh, no. It's not picking up litter. It's making more. No. Get up. Please. No, don't do that. No, stop. Please stop, Litterbot. Stop. Ugh. Well, I guess it still has a few bugs to work out.
Who's gonna clean up this mess?
I guess that'll be me. I made the mess. I'll clean it up.
Riff, I think we could help you with this.
Yeah, no problem.
Sure. Oh, thanks, guys.
Looky, everybody. I invented a way to clean up litter. You pick it up and then you throw it away.
There you go.
I think your way is better than mine, baby boppity bop.
Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share.